Every DIYer needs a good tool. Some are simple, some are special. Today, I want to show you this tool from Suzume Tools. So, when loosening or tightening bolts, our first thought is a ratchet and a socket, or even a standard wrench. Sometimes a deep socket is our go-to. However, in some cases, these are not enough. This is where the Suzume long ratcheting wrenches comes in handy. And this specific tool set, this is long reach. So making undoing bolts, loosening bolts, way easier, like a breaker bar. Did I mention this is also a flex head? That's awesome. Let me show you some examples that I wish I had these. One instance is when I tried to put my Oni L bracket in my LFD off-road crossbars. Because the bolts are too long, I can actually start it using my hands and then use my ratchet. But after that, it only gives me a certain amount of depth. With the ratcheting wrenches, this would make this job a little bit easier. Another instance is when I was installing this windshield wiper fluid reservoir cover, that's a mouthful, from All Pro Off-Road, and I need to remove this nut from the body mount. I was using a wrench, so I kept on doing this just to turn the nut. If I had this ratcheting wrench, then I don't need to twirl my hand like that. And this hose gets in the way in some of the turns because it's a flex head. I can flex it a little bit like so and keep on turning. So, should you buy this? Is this worth it? If you don't have any ratcheting wrenches in your toolbox, I would say yes. And I forget to mention that it comes with this awesome like pouch, so you can actually close it like so, all right, and roll it like a tool roll. It's pretty awesome. If you are in the market for ratcheting wrenches, go check out Suzume Tools. If this video has given you some sort of value, hit that like button. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Paalam.